place looks so much fun.
There are so many colorful balls.
Hey, hello kids. Roll with me. Amazing looks interesting. Let's look at the color of these balls.
Hello, friends. What are we going to learn today?
We are going to learn colors.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's go over there. Here we go. This is red color. Perfect.
Let's do the next one. Let's go for the next. This is pink color. Yeah!
This is green color.
This is orange color.
This is yellow color. This is blue color.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
See you guys
next with new exciting things.
Whoa!
Did you see that?
Wow, what a pleasant day. Amazing looks interesting. Let's go over there. It looks like we have 7 colors. Hello, friends. Do you think you could help today?
This is sea turtle. Okay, let's do this.
Hello, kids.
Hello, kids. Red color turtle. An orange turtle. This is yellow color turtle. This is green color turtle. This is blue color turtle. This is purple color turtle. This is pink color turtle.
That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you. Green turtle, yellow turtle, orange turtle, pink turtle, purple turtle, blue turtle, red.
Look at the color of these sea turtles.
Perfect.
So I will see you next time. Bye! a look here. Hello, friends. There are so many colorful dinosaurs.
Hello, kids. Amazing looks interesting. Hey, today we are going to craft dinosaurs.
Awesome.
Okay, let's do this. Perfect.
They look so good. I think they are going to slide. This is red color, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Perfect. This is orange color, Triceratops. Wow. This is yellow color, dinosaurs. Green color, Brachiosaurus. This is blue Spinosaurus. Purple color, Parasaurolophus. Pink color, Stegosaurus.
That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
So I will see you next time. Bye! Wow! Look at this place. Awesome!
Whoa! Hello, friends.
Hello, kids.
There are so many colorful shapes.
Do you think you could help today?
Okay, let's do this.
This is red circle. What do you think?
Perfect. This is orange cross.
This is yellow star.
This is green flower.
This is cyan square. Apple, triangle.
This is pink heart. See you guys next with new exciting things.
Hello, kids.
Hello, friends.
Wow, look at this. What shall we do now?
We are going to craft giraffe. They are going to be so much fun.
Do you think you could help today?
Okay, let's do this. Let's go over there. Oops.
Hey, hello, kids. What's going on?
Do you think you could help today? This is giraffe. Wow,
Great job, friends.
See you guys next with new exciting things.
Wow, look at this place. Awesome. Hello, friends.
hello, kids.
Whoa.
There are so many colorful things.
Ooh, have a look here. Yes, interesting. Now, what shall we do? Yes, perfect. It's your turn.
Hey, let's go. What do you think? Here we go. Yahoo!
That looks fantastic.
What shall we do next?
Caterpillar. See?
Who is that? is a caterpillar.
This caterpillar looks fantastic.
See you guys next with new exciting things.